guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure coming to you once again from my kitchen, and I'll be introducing to you today a new series. It's gonna be a series on snacks. If you love snacks, if you love them sweet, if you love your snacks spicy, I'm about to blow your socks off. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all my amazing content, and be sure to get my videos weekly. I post videos every weekend, preferably Saturdays. I am there to spice your weekend up, and let's get straight into this video. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you a really delicious buns recipe. This recipe is really easy to make, and I'll be doing 3 different flavors. I was really inspired to create this recipe from the famous Timbits. And here we have 3 different flavors. We have the birthday cake, yum. We have the plain, and the blueberries. So guys, let's get started. So it's time to make our buttermilk. In goes my vinegar now, and I'll stir that into the milk and allow that stand for 5 minutes. So it's time to prepare our sugar and egg mixture, and I just added in my vanilla now, and we'll blend that all up. I love to do this, guys, because it incorporates a lot of air into this mixture. It's gonna aid in making our buns really soft and fluffy. So right now, into my flour, I just added in some salt, baking powder, and nutmeg, and I'll mix really well. And it's time to incorporate our dry ingredients with the wets. In goes my butter now, and our buttermilk. Guys, can you see the outcome of this? It worked really well, and we just mix. So guys, in principle, this is actually a cake donut, so I thought I'd spice up the famous Nigerian buns and give it a new face, new flavor, and new treat for you guys out there. So this recipe is tailored to bring joy to every home. It's a perfect snack for family time, movie time, date night, as well as a great addition to the lunchbox. You have to try this recipe. It's ready, guys. So I'm just gonna divide it into equal parts. We're trying to make 3 different flavors. So guys, I will be making the lemon flavor and the birthday cake, which is customary to have the sprinkles, and the plain. So in goes my lemon juice now, and I'll mix that really well. So that was the zest of a lemon. This flavor, it's amazing, guys. It's my most favorite. It's so fluffy, I love it. So right now we're gonna make the sprinkles, and kids love this flavor so much, and we just add our sprinkles to the dough and we mix that in well. And trust me, guys, trust me on this one, your kids will love this. And we have our all plain, and it's time to roll them out. You don't want it too thin, and we cut with our nozzle. I'm just using a round nozzle. You don't have to buy a cutter. Whatever you have in your kitchen will do. So you just want to cut it in small circles. It's just gonna help it cook faster. And there you go, really easy. I hope you try this recipe, guys. You will love it. Trust me, guys, the flavor, it's amazing. And we're gonna roll our lemon flavor now, my most favorite. I love it so much. The smell of the lemon, it's amazing. And we roll out our birthday cake, and it's ready. So you want to preheat your oil for 10 minutes on medium heat for 10 minutes and it's ready for frying. So we're just gonna fry these on medium heat for 5 minutes on both sides. So you're gonna cook for 10 minutes altogether, and if it's turning brown, you flip it over like you see I'm doing, and it's as easy as that, guys. Have you subscribed to my channel? Yes, guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. Remember, Big Chini is about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen, and you can see the outcome of this. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is amazing, guys. You can see the fluffiness of the buns. It is yummy. It's a perfect starter for any 3-course meal. It's gonna be perfect for your date night, your family time. I'm gonna show you how to plate it to make it really romantic. And it's time to glaze our buns. This is really optional, and you want to find out how to make this glaze, I have the link in the description below. And I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.